and today I want to walk you through a sort of human or personal interpretation of what each of the hyperparameters means, both as sort of a relative, like high or low trait, and then what it means for each of those to adjust in response to experiences, in response to environmental feedback. So the first hyperparameter we'll look at is alpha, the learning rate. A high alpha means that a high proportion of knowledge is replaced with each new experience that leads to updating the learner's memory about a particular kind of state action pair. In other words, a high alpha corresponds to a relatively short memory because the learner is fast to replace knowledge, which means it may also be slow to converge on a steady worldview if it's accumulating this knowledge under changing conditions. You could say that it has high trust for new information, but it also accumulates only a little bit of knowledge over time because it replaces everything that it knows so rapidly. On the other hand, a low alpha, you might characterize it as being slow to learn and slow to forget. So it's slow to accumulate expectations and slow to adjust them, which means that its map, its worldview, has a high inertia during periods of uncertainty or changing conditions. In a sense, I would like to analogize that to wisdom, but I don't want to take the analogy that far. I think that would be an error. Sometimes fast updating is a wise thing, sometimes slow updating is a wise thing, and there's more than one level at which a map might be updated, and so I would like to encourage you to consider thinking of things in those kinds of ways, but do not be too quick to commit to that kind of interpretation of these mathematical representations. There's more subtlety in human experience. So the next hyperparameter we'll look at is gamma. Gamma is the future discount rate, and a higher gamma indicates a higher relative value of future payoffs or future rewards relative to the present, whereas a low. And today